step 6. The exciting thing about step 6 is it means that you have found the house that you want to be your next home. So what we'll need to do is we'll need to put an offer on that home. Now what that means is we will write up a contract that we will submit to the seller that will state the things that you are willing to enter into in order to purchase that home. Usually it entails things like the purchase price, option period, different things that the buyer versus seller will pay, and we'll go over all of that with you when we get to that point. But we will be submitting an offer, that contract, and during that time we'll also be using what you provided from step 2, either your proof of funds or your pre-approval from your lender. We will submit all of that as a package to the seller's agent that they will then present to the seller, and then that seller has the option to either 1, accept your offer as is, number 2, reject your offer completely, or number 3, they can sometimes counter with a new offer that they would like to then enter into a negotiation phase with us. Negotiations are great because it's a wonderful way that we can work together to make sure that all parties can achieve what they want and be able to complete this transaction and get you into that home. Once we complete this step, we'll be moving on to step number 7.